Damn. Hope the angle good. It looked good on the camera. Look good. A Honda clean. Fresh out of work. It feel good. Oh, I got my badge on me still. They gonna be like, Bill, what the fuck? I don't know. I got some crumble cookies last night and I need to get some milk because I want some milk with my cookies. So I just got back from vacation like about 4 days ago, and I know I gave you guys updates like the bills are gonna resume for when I get back from vacation, and it is. I just ordered a AMS, what the fuck, bro? I just ordered an AMS coolant, upgraded coolant charge pump. So I will have that posted, but they got somebody pulled over. Not me, officer. I'm just gonna back in right here, buddy. Imagine I pull over and ask him if he could get pictures with his lights on. That'd be crazy. But we need milk. Need water. We need water too. You let me know what the best water is though. If it ain't Core or ain't got it or Wakia, it ain't good. I need milk, bro. I need milk for my crumble cookies. They look good. Hey, they got milk. All right. We got the drinks. Let's get a couple of videos and a couple of pictures. He's gone. But yeah, I got a low pressure, not low pressure, I don't know why I keep saying low pressure. I have a upgraded AMS coolant charge pump coming and a coolant fender tank coming, and then downpipe tune, baby, downpipe tune. I don't know if you guys are excited, but I'm very excited. indeed. Downshift sound good. Oh man. Ooh, tight turn, tight turn. Oh man. Woo. That's her, man. Smell like Chinese out here. Big fucking plans for her. Big fucking plans. AMS coolant charge pump is on the way. I spent the email wrong, so have no updates on that, which is fine. And then after that, we have the fender coolant tank coming installed around probably like early September. And then I got some big cosmetic mod coming. A big cosmetic mod coming. Can y'all guess what it is? Leave a comment below if y'all could guess what mod is coming. Whether if you think it's carbon fenders, carbon hood, just let me know. But the Go Fast mods are on the way. The build has resumed and I'm excited, man. Don't forget to leave a like and comment below and subscribe for your boy. Man, we turning up, man. We had 100 subscribers, 113 subscribers, road to 200, man. I honestly, I didn't think I was gonna get any followers, any subscribers, but bro, if you put your mind to it, if you do anything is possible, bro. Y'all don't know how hard it is to gain subscribers on YouTube. Like, I tried doing this shit with Call of Duty like 5-6 years ago and it wasn't shit going, bro. It wasn't shit going. Now it's like, damn, maybe I found something, maybe I found the juice, I don't know, but I'm blessed, man. I'm happy as hell to be in the position I'm in. I'm happy as hell to own a car, bro. But yeah, man, stay tuned. A lot of shit coming. We will see you guys soon. Fuck, I'm excited.